we go to home.
Oh, you fell down at home too?
Mm-hmm.
So you fell down at Walmart, you fell down at the mall, and you fell down at home. Is that why you keep crying?
Yeah, I fell down at what? I fell down mall.
At home.
I fell down home. And with these.
What?
With that.
It's only 3. You're only telling me 3.
1.
Yes.
It's a mall.
At the mall.
Yeah.
At Walmart.
Yeah.
At home.
Not in a home.
You said it was at home.
It's home.
Oh, that one's home.
Hey, that's Walmart.
Oh, this one's Walmart.
Hey, this one's home.
You just said this one was home.
What's that?
That's mall.
Yeah, that's mall.
At the mall,
Yeah.
at Walmart, and at home.
It's home.
Oh.
It's mall.
Yes. Mall.
And Walmart.
And Walmart.
And mall. And home.
Yes. Kellen! Are you faking? Are you faking? Well, why do you keep faking?
Because we fell down Walmart.
Yes. You ain't fall down no Walmart.
I fell down Walmart.
That's why you keep crying? Is that why you keep crying? You need some tissue? Well, boy, you gonna stop ripping up this good tissue that I'll go up there to get. Good tissue. Look at your tissue pile. Look at that. Why do you keep crying? Oh, you want me to pat?
Wait, hold on.
This.
Whoopsie
You missed the pile, you.
Whoopsie
turd.
daisy.
Okay. Now let's ask more questions. Now, Kelly, you keep crying because you fell down at Walmart, at home, and at the mall, right? Kellen, answer the question. That's why you keep crying? Kellen, why didn't you eat your food?
No,
Why didn't you do it?
because we go home.
You want to go home?
Yeah,
Your mommy's not at home.
because mommy go Walmart.
Oh, you're mad because Mama went to Walmart without you?
Yeah,
Oh. You still gotta eat your food. Don't you want that toy?
yeah.
So you gotta eat your food.
Oh yeah, I didn't eat food.
Wanna go eat your food?
No, no.
Well, you get no toy.
Anyway, yes, boy.
Are you done crying? Say bye, Mommy.
Bye, mommy.